What a fucking sunset, eh? Out in the ocean. Me and my sexy self watching the sunset. So I've got my bucket full of rubbish there. Bells and rods and shit there. Cameraman caught a fucking beautiful fucking jewfish.